Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss on a topic Advanced Excel Power Query Tool, and we are going to discuss more about the ETL tool also. So no need to worry about the ETL concepts. So what we are going to learn today, the contents are what is Power Query, what is ETL tool, why Power Query, and how Power Query can help us to improve our tasks in companies or management. What are the features of Power Query? This will also we are going to learn in these concepts. So what is Power Query? With the Power Query, you can search for data sources, make connection, and then you can save that data. Example, if you want to remove a column, change a data type, or merge table, you are going to do it with some single clicks in ways that meet your needs in your company or in your business. So once you set your data by using the query tool, you can connect, you can transform, you can combine, and you can share. So this is called the Power Query. We have concluded some points you can see in our screen. Power Query is a ETL tool, extract, transform, load tool. We can import any data in Excel, almost 25, and we can clean it, transform it, load it back. And Power Query is a data cleaning tool. Power Query also help in automation. So everything is possible with automation system in Power Query. Now, what is the ETL tool? As for example, we can say, suppose we have any number of data in PDF format, in CSV format, in SQL format file, but we can uh, easily clean the data and can do many operations like cleaning, duplicate records, null values, merge cell, etc., etc. So ETL tool is actually the benefit for our own business. Plus, we will also know about major types tools. And if you say what is exactly ETL tool, the one-line answer is extraction, transformation, and loading. So thus an ETL tool extracts data from disparate sources, transform it to make it compatible with the destination system, and then loads it into the destination system. So this destination could be a data warehouse, data lake database, and any other application system. But why do you need an ETL tool? Yeah, time efficiency, handle complex data easily, reduce their probability, uh, improve business intelligence. So these reasons we actually need to do and use the ETL tool. As for example, an ETL tool allows you to collect, transform, and consolidate data in an automated way. As a result, you can save plenty of time and effort otherwise spent on importing data manually. Now, what is the handling of complex data easily? With the time, your business will have to work with a vast data volume that's intricate and diverse. For instance, you can be a multinational organization with data coming in from 3 different countries with distinct product names, customer IDs, addresses, etc. If you have if you have to manage a range of attributes, uh, maybe you will end up with formatting data all day long. An ETL tool can help actually to accurately streamline things for you by simplifying data cleaning and processing. So this is all the work of ETL tool. Now, our next point is all about why Power Query tool. What is the need of Power Query tool in our business, in our industry? What is the Power Query? Power Query is a business intelligence tool available in Advanced Excel or Excel that allows us to import data from many different sources and then clean, transform, reshape our data as needed. So we can say it is one kind of automation tool, automated tool, just one click option. But it allows us to set up a query once and then reuse it with a simple refresh. It's also pretty powerful. Power Query can import and clean millions of rows into data model for analysis after. The user interface is intuitively very good, very well laid out, so it's really easy to pick up. It's an incredibly short learning curve when compared to other Excel tools like formulas or VBA. So the best part about the Power Query tool is we don't need to learn or use any type of coding part we don't actually really need in this Power Query tool. The Power Query editor records all our transformations step by step and converts them into the M code for you, for the business, for the similarity of how the macro recorder with VBA. So this is actually the best thing of Power Query. And we have concluded some points here. Manual work in company. So manual automation is really needed. Excel has many functions like lookup, VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, text functions, date functions, but we can use all these functions with just a single button in the Power Query. And this is the main thing here. Now, how are our in business, how Power Query can help us to improve our daily tasks. We don't need to use any type of keyword. We don't even require any formulas or famous functions. But we can perform any manual to automation tasks by help of this Power Query tool. So if we want to complete a task for some specific operation of VLOOKUP, merge queries, and duplicate record findings or reducing, we can also do that all things in Power Query with just a button click. So importing our data in business with Power Query is really simple. Excel provides many common data connections that are accessible from the data tab and can be found from the get data command. So get data from a single file such as an Excel workbook, text or CSV file, XML, JSON files. Many type of file extensions are there, but we can also import multiple files from within just a given single click on our machine. So getting data from various databases such as SQL Server, Microsoft Access, Analysis Services, SQL Server, Analysis, MySQL, PostgreSQL, Teradata, SAP, SAP HANA. So those databases are actually very much important for the business. But to handle all those data in one combination from or in a one combination tool will be really automate the whole process with some higher channel. So it will improve the business quality, contents, and help to grow. Now, what is the Power Query advantages? 95% features can be possibly done by using just the Power Query execution. Excel and Power Query both help to do complex things in a very simple format. Power Query is a ETL, extract, transform, and load tool. We can import any type of data at any format in Excel, almost 25, but we can use exceed of it with the help of the Power Query, and we can clean it, transform it, load it back. This is the main feature in ETL, but we are able to do it in Power Query. With the tax format, we can import any type of file or the database file like .sql, .pdf format, .csv. So the Power Query is a data cleaning tool, and Power Query also helps in the automation. So these are the references where I found the Power Query. I have downloaded it in my machine, and I conclude the whole summarized point in my PPT so that the people who are going to visit on my channel will able to understand what is the Power Query and what is the benefit for the business to using this tool. And the conclusion, I have concluded some points. Power Query is a data processing powerful tool. We can use Power Query to connect to several types of data sources like databases, files, web pages, social media, APIs, cloud storage, etc. We can bring and combine data, append, merge, join, inner join, outer join, left join, etc. So from various places, derive new columns of data format, remove or reduce data, reshape data, transposing, grouping, pivoting, those features are really needed. Okay, so from various places, derive new columns of data format, remove or reduce data, reshape data, transposing, grouping, pivoting, unpivoting, and other creative ways. And it can be write with formulas to do advanced manipulation of data, publish, and we can do it very easily. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial on Power Query in Excel ETL. Hope you all like this video. If you like, please share to your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you.